Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use Telemed in your practice. In this video, we'll go through the step-by-step process on how to book and conduct an online consultation with your patient directly inside the GoodX web app. Telehealth enables secure, face-to-face online communication between you and your patient. It's a convenient option for patients who don't need to travel, and it helps reduce waiting room congestion while protecting everyone from unnecessary exposure. Before the practitioner can use the Telemed function, it will need to be configured. To set this up, please refer to the Telemed for the practitioner setup user manual linked in this video's description. Let's start by booking a Telemed consultation. On the diary screen, double-click on your desired time slot. The Add/Edit booking screen will open. For a complete explanation of the Add/Edit booking screen and how to make a booking, please refer to the book New Patient User Manual linked in this video's description. In the booking type field, select Telemed. For more information on how to customize or create your own booking types, please refer to the Booking Types user manual linked in this video's description. Thereafter, complete the rest of the fields just as you would for a normal booking. Click Save, and the Telehealth consultation will now appear in your diary. When it's time for the consultation, click on the Telemed booking in your diary. In the diary sidebar, click on the Telemed button to launch the workflow event. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to use your camera and microphone. Click Allow so your patient can see and hear you. Your camera will now activate and you'll see your own video in the top right corner. Click the telephone button to call your patient. You'll see a message that says, "Waiting for other users to join." Once your patient accepts the call, their video will appear on your screen. During the call, you can take a screenshot by clicking the camera icon. This will save the image securely on your GoodX web server for future clinical reference. You can also share your screen by clicking the screen button. This is especially useful for demonstrating exercises, for example, in physiotherapy sessions. There's also a messaging feature. Simply type your message in the chat box, click send, and your patient will see it instantly. They can reply, and their messages will appear in the same chat window. If you need to take clinical notes while consulting, use the minimizer, which is the gray icon at the top right of the screen. For an extensive explanation on how to use the minimizer, please refer to the How to Use the Minimizer user manual linked in this video's description. Click the minimizer button to minimize the Telemed screen. You will still be able to see your patient while navigating anywhere within the system, like opening the clinical section and making quick notes for your current consultation. You can then expand the telehealth screen, and when you're done, you can click the red telephone button to end the call. The screen will display "No practitioner connected." Finally, click close to return to the diary and switch off your camera.